Top of the hour, let's get you this breaking update. What we are learning as far as in the political circles, it is the Aam Aadmi Party leader and former Delhi Mantri Saurabh Bharadwaj, where the heat on ED that has been conducting the searches in 13 different locations, including his residence of the former minister, that is taking place. This is a case which is linked to alleged case of money laundering investigation and irregularities in hospital construction projects that was sanctioned during the Aam Aadmi government's tenure. Now, officials say the searches covered 13 locations in Delhi and nearby areas, where the Central Probe Agency, however, has yet not disclosed the details of the assets that has been seized or specific financial irregularities that has been detected. But as far as when it comes to these searches that has been taking place, the Aam Aadmi Party has been quick to play and say that they are now being targeted by the government and part of the central agencies. First statement that is coming from the Aam Aadmi Party on these searches that are being conducted at Saurabh Bharadwaj's residence, where it is now being alleged by the Aam Aadmi Party an attempt to divert attention, saying this is nothing but a political vendetta. Let's listen into Sanjay Singh.
सौरभ भारद्वाज आम आदमी पार्टी दिल्ली प्रदेश के अध्यक्ष और पूर्व मंत्री हैं। उनके ऊपर आज ईडी ने छापा मारा है। सौरभ भारद्वाज पे जो मामला बनाया गया है वो पूरी तरीके से निराधार, झूठा और बेबुनियाद है। और ये बात मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूं कि जो ये केस बनाया गया है उस वक्त सौरभ भारद्वाज मंत्री ही नहीं थे। तो एक झूठा और बेबुनियाद केस बना के सौरभ भारद्वाज को फंसाने की कोशिश की जा रही है। और हम सबने देखा कि कैसे सत्येंद्र जैन के मामले में 3 साल तक उनको जेल में रखने के बाद सीबीआई ने कह दिया उनके खिलाफ कोई सबूत नहीं। एक झूठा केस सत्येंद्र जैन पे बनाया। आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं पे लगातार झूठे केस बना के उनको जेल में डालना भारतीय जनता पार्टी मोदी सरकार की एक नीति बन गई, एक उनका रवैया बन गया, हमको दबाने के लिए, हमको झुकाने के लिए। और ये सब कुछ आज क्यों हो रहा है अचानक? क्यों सौरभ भारद्वाज के घर पे आज छापा मार दिया गया? क्योंकि खबर बदलनी है, मुद्दा बदलना है। मुद्दा कल से क्या चल रहा था? मोदी जी की फर्जी डिग्री। मोदी जी की फर्जी डिग्री के ऊपर चर्चा देश में ना हो, इसलिए आज ये ईडी का छापा मार दिया। तो मुझे लगता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं के बारे में, उनकी ईमानदारी के बारे में, सच्चाई के बारे में पूरा देश जान चुका है। और इस तरह से झूठे मुकदमे बना के आप उनको परेशान नहीं कर सकते, झुका नहीं सकते, रोक नहीं सकते। ऐसी तमाम कोशिशें चाहे वो मोदी कर ले, अमित शाह कर ले, बीजेपी कर ले, वो कामयाब होने वाली नहीं। जय हिंद। सौरभ।
Well, such has been the reaction coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. As expected, the party is also expected to do a press briefing in a short while from now. But Sabyasachi, as far as the reactions that have been coming in over these dozen locations in the national capital that are being searched and raided by the Federal Probe Agency, this comes under the provisions of PMLA, which is Prevention of Money Laundering Act.
Well, that's right. See, we are reporting from outside Saurabh Bharadwaj residence where the raid is currently going on. And in 2018 and 19, the Delhi government had approved 24 hospital projects worth of 5,590 crores. And the projects got delayed and cost shot up without proper explanation. And many hospitals, polyclinics and ICUs are still incomplete, and cost increased by hundreds of crores, raising suspicion of corruption, and not a single project has been finished on time. Meanwhile, you see that some of the party workers are gathering in front of Saurabh Bharadwaj residence. We'll speak to them. Sir, आपसे पूछूंगा कि आज रेड चल रही है स्कैम के मामले में जो अस्पतालों में हुई है, किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
See, you have to understand that Saurabh ji was not the minister in 2016 and 17. He became the minister in 2022 and 23. So you have to understand that if you will start raiding places like this, then the Congress scam, PM Modi should also be raided. The HM should also be raided because the scam happened in the Congress time. So this is only a way to trouble the Aam Aadmi Party leaders. Satinder Jain ji was also troubled. He was kept in jail for months and months. Then CBI filed a closure report. Now, who is responsible for the torture his family went through? His kids were bullied in the school. How will his family go through this? Will LG Sahab apologize? Will Vijender Gupta apologize for the report that the false report that he has submitted to the CBI? Who will take charge for this? Who will be responsible for this action?
But the allegation that is coming in from the BJP side that the public public funds were used. The hospitals are still not complete. What explains that?
So Modi ji said by 2022 the bullet train will run. It's 2025. So there should be a case on Modi ji also. Gadkari ji said about the highways, or all the highways made, all the expressways are made. Every project is delayed. If delay project is a basis for an FIR, I think every department in India, the projects are getting delayed. Why not an FIR on everyone? Maybe do a ED raid on the PM house, maybe do an ED raid on the HM house. And you have to understand, Delhi is in a pathetic condition. The slums are being broken, the roads are filled with sewer water, the private school bill, which has increased the price of the fee for the school children to 30 to 80%. They just want to hide all that. We just asked one question about
reactions that have been coming in from the ground and reactions that are also coming in from the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, who have been quick to say and call it as a false case and a case of political vendetta. Hina, over to you.
Well, that's right, Amita. In fact, reactions have been pouring in thick and fast. We have a reaction now coming in from Atishi as well, former Chief Minister of the National Capital. And it's like a translation of what she's really put out here. And she's saying, why was there a raid at Saurabhji's place today? She's asking that question because questions are being raised across the country about Modi ji's degree. Is Modi ji's degree fake? The raid was conducted to divert attention from this discussion. So the main response of the Aam Aadmi Party and its netas in the defense of Saurabh Bharadwaj seems to be that this particular action by the Enforcement Directorate is nothing but a diversionary tactic at the behest of the BJP. She also says at the time of the case being mentioned, Saurabhji was not even a minister. This means the entire case is false. Satyendraji was also kept in jail for 3 years and ultimately CBI ED had to submit a closure report. This clearly shows that all the cases against Aam Aadmi Party leaders are nothing but lies and they are politically motivated. So that's the response we've got from Atishi of the Aam Aadmi Party.
All right. Hina, thank you very much for that update. When we speak of Saurabh Bharadwaj, he's been a former Mantri, a 3-time MLA from Greater Kailash. He served as Delhi's Health, Urban Development and Water Minister. He's chaired the Delhi Jal Board and is one of the topmost leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party as well. More reactions coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party side. Let's dip in.
Joining us right now is the Aam Aadmi Party's national spokesperson, Ms. Priyanka Kakkad. With us, ma'am, the manner in which these raids are taking place at 13 locations, including the residence of Mr. Saurabh Bharadwaj, as the ED is basically saying that it's a scam of more than 5,000 crores of the construction of hospitals in the national capital. What's the take of the Aam Aadmi Party regarding this?
This is deeply unfortunate, using ED, your CBI, in furtherance of your vendetta politics. Already this is done simply because they want to divert the attention of the nation from the fake degree of Modi ji that everyone has been talking about since yesterday. You see how poorly this case has been drafted. Saurabh Bharadwaj ji, who was not even a minister at that time, at the time of these they claimed these illegalities happened. He was not even the health minister. And the ED and CBI have already raided, hounded, arrested the previous health minister Satyendra Jain ji for 3 years and now giving him a clean chit, filing closure reports in his case. So again, you go through all of this, hound another person for the same allegations. It's deeply unfortunate. वहाँ पे उनकी डिग्री नहीं मिलेगी, सौरभ जी के यहाँ पे मोदी जी की डिग्री नहीं मिलने वाली.
Ma'am, but the ED is basically saying that there is not even a single hospital which has been fully constructed in the national capital. There is continuous delay, there is cost overrun, and that is the only reason why this kind of a scam has come to the fore.
I think ED has lost all credibility, and I think every journalist should today look at the CAG report that was tabled, and you will get a bureau of how many hospitals were constructed, under construction, and this is all only to just hound the Aam Aadmi Party. I mean, we gave a system of mohalla clinics, first of a kind.
Well, Arvind Kejriwal's party reacting to the news and saying that the raids against Saurabh Bharadwaj are nothing but diversionary tactic, as the case against him is false and dates back to the time when he wasn't even a minister. But the BJP is now adding more heat as far as calling out that the corruption cases that have been filed against certain leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. The BJP says that the skeletons of graft are now coming out.
भ्रष्टाचारियों की जमात में शामिल आम आदमी पार्टी दिल्ली प्रदेश के अध्यक्ष पूर्व मंत्री सौरभ भारद्वाज पर आज जांच एजेंसी ने मेडिकल स्कैम में छापा मारा है और दिल्ली में अस्पतालों के निर्माण के विषय पर या दवाइयां या उपकरण खरीदने पर दिल्ली के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री रहे सौरभ भारद्वाज ने घोटाले किए हैं, जिसकी आज जांच एजेंसी ने भी पुष्टि की है। बार बार मानना है कि दिल्ली में पिछले 11 सालों में डेवलपमेंट को रोकने का काम किया गया, घोटाले किए गए, चोरी की गई और उसका ये परिणाम है कि ये सब लोग जो दिल्ली के ठग हैं, ये अलग अलग नाम बदल के दूसरे राज्यों में जाके उन जनता को भी बेवकूफ़ बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जिन्होंने दिल्ली की जनता को लूटने का काम किया है।
सौरभ भारद्वाज के घर पर ईडी की रेड हो रही है उस हॉस्पिटल कंस्ट्रक्शन के मामले में। ये निश्चित रूप से आम आदमी पार्टी के जो लोग हैं, जो नेता हैं और जिन्होंने घोटाले किए हैं, वो एक भी घोटाले से बच नहीं सकते। प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कहा था, जिन्होंने लूटा है उन्हें लौटाना पड़ेगा, चाहे वो कोई कितने ही बड़े पद पर क्यों ना हो। जरा ये ईडी की रेड के बाद सच्चाई सामने आएगी और कानून अपना काम करेगा।
Well, the Enforcement Directorate, which has launched these fresh raids against Delhi, a former minister, Saurabh Bharadwaj, in its first official statement, the ED has confirmed that searches were conducted at 13 locations under Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and these raids follow FIR that was filed by the Anti-Corruption Branch, focusing on alleged irregularities in unauthorized construction of hospital. According to the ED, the case involves suspected misuse of public funds and financial trail, which is now under close examination. We have Tetri joining us also from the location there. Tetri, the raids continue apart from his residence. What are the other 12 locations that are being raided? Tetri, your mic is off. Please request you to turn on the mic there. But as far as the current situation is concerned, we're expecting a briefing on Aam Aadmi Party side to happen very soon. But right now, as far as political vendetta claims and a claim of false case that has already been taken up by the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that this is nothing but targeting the Aam Aadmi Party, as there is no case of corruption. In fact, when it comes to this case that is being referred to by the Enforcement Directorate, dates back even when Saurabh Bharadwaj was not a minister. Tetri, yes, we can hear you. Over to you.
Well, absolutely. We are reporting just outside the residence of Saurabh Bharadwaj, where the raids of ED are underway. We'll be showing you the visuals. That's the visual of Saurabh Bharadwaj residence. Focus on that house where Saurabh Bharadwaj stays. And in fact, this case came to light, as you rightly mentioned, when Saurabh Bharadwaj, in fact, was in Aam Aadmi Party's minister, not in the minister, but yes, 24 hospital projects, 11 greenfield and 13 brownfield. What we are getting to know what sanctioned in the year 2018 and 19, and in fact massive irregularities were found. Not just that, but also we'll speak to the councillor as well of this area who is there with us. Raids are being conducted over here at Aam Aadmi Party's residence. What you have to say? पहली बार नहीं है कि इस तरह की घटनाएं हो रही है, पहले भी हो चुकी हैं, लेकिन हॉस्पिटल में इरेगुलरिटी जिसके प्रूफ भी सामने आए हैं, इसे कैसे देखते हैं आप?
देखिए, जब भी भाजपा सरकार पे, नरेंद्र मोदी जी पे किसी भी तरीके के सवाल उठते हैं, तो उस मुद्दों से भटकाने के लिए, जनता को उस मुद्दों से भटकाने के लिए इस ईडी और सीबीआई का सहारा लिया जाता है।
लेकिन ये मामला तो साल 2018-19 से चल रहा है, बहुत पहले से चल रहा है, तब तो ये मामला उठा नहीं था।
तब विधानसभा के चुनाव आने वाले थे, तब भी उन्होंने हमारे पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी पे आरोप लगाए कि उनके खिलाफ बहुत सारे पुख्ता सबूत हैं। मनीष सिसोदिया जी पे आरोप लगाए, सत्येंद्र जैन जी पे इतने आरोप लगाए, जितने टाइम तक वो जेल के अंदर रहे, उनकी परिवार वालों ने इतना टॉर्चर सहा। उसके बाद आज क्लीन चिट मिल गई, तब भी उनके पास पुख्ता सबूत थे, आज भी कह रहे हैं हमारे पास पुख्ता सबूत है। कोई सबूत नहीं होते, सिर्फ झूठे आरोप होते हैं, ताकि नरेंद्र मोदी जी की डिग्री से और उनके जो ये वोट चोरी को लेके जो सवाल उठ रहे हैं, उस मुद्दों से भटकाया जा सके जनता।
ठीक है, तो अभी आप लोग यहाँ पर आगे आपकी क्या रणनीति रहेगी? सारे कार्यकर्ता यहाँ पर एक के बाद
Well, the Karyakartas and supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party also there at the residence of Saurabh Bharadwaj, where these raids are still taking place, 12 other locations as well, which are being searched. According to the Enforcement Directorate, the projects that were marked by delays and cost overruns in suspected embezzlement. However, none of the sanctioned hospitals were completed on time, and several hundred crores escalated costs, however, still remain unexplained. Sabyasachi, how much is the worth of this hospital construction scam is coming together to be? What has now been said that allegedly the irregularities happened back in 2018-19?
Well, that's right. See, the entire hospitals, around 24 hospitals, are worth of around 5,590 crores. And till now, none of the hospitals have been completed. And now, this was the allegation was first raised by the BJP leader, Mr. Vijayendra Gupta, had submitted a complaint where he had made this allegation that the Aam Aadmi Party, which was in power back then, was using the funds that was meant for the welfare of the people of the national capital and using them for unfair means. Now, after that, the investigation was registered in this matter, and now the ED currently is present at the residence of Mr. Saurabh Bharadwaj. Let me show you the visuals around. You can see the gate is still closed. The ED officials, along with the CRPF, are still present inside the residence of Saurabh Bharadwaj, and the Aam Aadmi Party is continuously maintaining the fact that this is nothing but political vendetta.
So the case that was taken up with alleged corruption in sanction and execution of multiple hospital projects worth over 5,000 crores during 2018-19. These projects that included 11 new hospitals and 13 upgrade of existing facilities, which certain irregularities that has been pointing out, that has prompted an investigation by the Enforcement Directorate. Tetri and Sabyasachi, thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast.